Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Crown of Zion shining gold, story of the truth big told. It bless the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown, here to stay, forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown, carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall, blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. It rests upon the Rasta head. Zion crown, just spread, forever shining, never fall. Zion crown, for all, it guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown, by Jahan, forever holy, wide and free. Zion crown, destiny, you see it glow in morning sun. Zion crown, never done, it shine the way, it mark the path. Zion crown, Jarrah, forever holy, strong and right. Zion crown, Jalite, it bless the children, bless the soul. Zion crown, make we whole, shine eternal, never fade. Zion crown, Jamaica, no Babylon can hide the glow. Zion crown, always show, forever blazing, pure and long. Zion crown, just song, it crown the people, crown the day. Zion crown, Yahweh, when the trumpet sound again. Zion crown, still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown, show Yahweh, eternal shining, strong and tall. Zion crown, bless all, shine high, shine true. Zion crown, for me and you. No chain, no curse can pull it down. Jah people, wear the crown. Zion crown, bright and tall, blessings giving for one and all. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, exalt his name, from age to age, from dusk. Aye, 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 Zion Reggae King, yeah man. Song of Zion, sweet and clear. Call the children far and near. It rise eternal, never end. Zion song, me friend. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion song all around, forever holy, pure and true. Zion song carry you. Zion song, loud and free, echo true, eternity. Every note a holy flame. Zion song, call your name. It shines guide the children, guide the way. Zion song every day. It ring eternal, never fade. Zion song Jah made. No Babylon can mute this sound. Zion song all around. Forever glowing, pure and free. Zion song destiny. It rise the people, rise the land. Zion song Chant. When the trumpet sound again, Zion song still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion song bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion song show Jah way. Eternal ringing, strong and long. Zion song, Jah song. Sing high, sing strong. Zion song carry on. No chain, no silence can stop the flame. Zion song call Jah name. Zion song, loud and free, echo through eternity. Every note a holy flame. Zion song, call Jah name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion song still carry on.
Na 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 na. Zion brother is so high, man.
Flame of Zion burn so bright, guide the children through the night. It shine eternal, never low. Zion flame forever glow. No Babylon can quench the fire. Zion flame lift we higher, forever holy, pure and true. Zion flame carry you. Zion flame strong and high, blazing glory in the sky. Every spark a holy name. Zion flame exalt Jah claim. Whoa. It burn the wicked, cleanse the land. Zion flame by Jah hand. It guard the humble, heal the meek. Zion flame all people seek. shining stand, not of silver, not of gold, but of love and truth untold. It bless the humble, bless the meek, crown of Zion all man seek. Every jewel a holy sign, crown of Jah forever shine. Crown of Zion pure and true, shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteous truth. It glows so bright in morning sun, it shine until the work is done. It mark the faithful, mark the kind, crown of Jah upon the mind. No Babylon can steal away, crown of Zion here to stay. It rise above the earthly throne, crown of Jah forever own. It guard the heart, it guard the soul, crown of Zion make man whole. It lift the weak, it raise the low, crown of Zion always show. It sing a song, it tell a tale of righteous win and wicked fail. Upon the brow of holy child, crown of Jah forever style. Me dream at night of shining light, crown of Zion burning bright. It says stay strong, don't go astray, hold the faith both night and day. It bless the elder, bless the youth, crown of Jah reveal the truth. Forever bright, forever new, crown of Zion shine on you. When the final call is made, crown of Zion never fade. It rests upon the chosen head, living soul and spirit fed. From first to last, from birth to end, crown of Zion always friend. Eternal jewel, eternal flame, crown of Jah forever same. Shine bright, shine tall, crown of Zion bless us all. No man, no king can wear the same, only Jah uphold the name. Crown of Zion pure and true, shine upon the chosen few. Every elder, every youth, wear the crown of righteous truth. From dawn of time to endless day, crown of Zion light the way. Rasta Zion roll this spliff, yeah man. Burning bright from deep within, fire of Zion cleanse from sin. No coal, no match, no earthly flame. This is Jah eternal name. It light the heart, it guide the soul. Fire make the broken whole. No wicked plan righteous straight. It glowing temple, glowing land, light of Jah in every hand. It cleanse the city, cleanse the field, burn away what Babylon yield. Only truth remain to shine. Fire of Jah is so divine. It warm the children in the cold. It blaze the story prophets told. It dance upon the holy ground. Fire of Zion always found. It rise at night, it rise at day. Fire guide along the way. No storm, no dark can snuff it out. Fire of Jah remove all doubt. Me see it when me pray alone. Fire carve the heart of stone. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Hold the flame of Jah so bright. It bless the elder, bless the youth. Fire always burn for truth. Every spark a holy sign. Fire of Zion ever shine. When the final day arrive, fire of Jah keep love alive. It burn the chain, it burn the wall. Fire free the soul of all. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Fire of Zion ever born. Eternal blaze, eternal light. Fire of Jah forever bright. Burn high, burn free. Fire of Zion energy. No hate, no fear can quench the flame. Fire of Jah forever same. Fire of Zion blazing strong. Burn the wrong and bless the song. From the root to heaven's high. Fire of Jah will never die. From first spark to endless time. Fire of Zion ever shine. The Zion Rasta way, man. Way of Zion, pure and bright. Guide the children through the night. It shine eternal, never fall. Zion way for all. No Babylon can block the road. Zion way heavy load. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion way carry you. Zion way clear and long. Keep the people standing strong. Every step a holy flame. Zion way exalt his name. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Zion way all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion way shining strong. It bless the children, bless the man. Zion way Jah plan. Forever glowing, wide and free. Zion way destiny. Me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion way never done. It lead the nation, lead the youth. Zion way Jah truth. Forever holy, strong and bright. Zion way Jah Jah made. No Babylon can hide the sign. Zion way divine, forever blazing, pure and long. Zion way Jah song. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion way Jah hand. When the trumpet sound again, Zion way still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion way bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion way show Jah way. Eternal walking, firm and strong. Zion way Jah song. Walk high, walk free. Zion way for you and me. No chain, no wall can block the road. Zion way heavy load. Zion way clear and long. Keep the people standing strong. Every step a holy flame. Zion way exalt his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion way still carry on. Aye, 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 Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Holy ground, mountain echo, Jah true sound.
Zion all life long. No chain, no wall can stop the climb. Mountain stand for all time. Mountain of Zion, firm and sure. Stand eternal, ever pure. Guide the people, hold the line. Holy mountain, ever sign. From earth below to heaven high. Mountain of Zion, never die.
Na 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 granda. Na 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 granda. Na 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 Zion Reggae man.
Golden gate, so wide, so tall. Zion opening for one and all. No guard of hate, no lack of chain. Only love can there remain. It welcome meek, it welcome true. Open gates for me and you. Every step a song of peace. Gates of Zion love increase. Gates of Zion open wide. Call the children, call inside. No wall of fears, no door of pain. Zion gates forever reign. It shine with light, it glow with flame. Every gate called Jah true name. It lead to garden, lead to rest. Zion welcome all the blessed. No rich, no poor, no high, no low. All together gates will show. Every heart a holy key. Gates of Zion set you free. It open night, it open day. Gates of Jah no close away. It lead the soul to holy ground, where eternal love is found. It break the chain, it lose the tie. Gates of Zion never lie. Every step up on the floor, open wide forevermore. Me see it shining in me dream. Golden light like holy stream. It call me name, it draw me near. Gates of Zion free from fear. It bless the elder, bless the child. Every soul by gates beguiled. Come one, come all, no man denied. Zion gates forever wide. When the trumpet sound again, gates of Zion stand remain. It welcome faithful, welcome true. Open arms for I and you. From dawn of time till time is gone. Gates of Jah forever strong. Love eternal, truth inside. Gates of Zion open wide. Step in, step through. Gates of Zion call for you. No wall, no bar can hold the way. Zion gates forever stay. Gates of Zion open wide. Call the children, call inside. No wall of fears, no door of pain. Zion gates forever reign. From earth below to heaven shore. Gates of Zion open more. Zion reggae with ganja, yeah, man. Me rise up early with the sun, chant a prayer before the day begun. Me hand in soil, me mind at peace, planting roots, feel love increase. Me herb garden lush and green, sweetest scent you ever seen. Me pick a bud, me feel so free. Me give thanks for Jah remedy. In a one love herb garden, we grow truth, not just pardon. Smoke roll like the morning mist, every draw a sacred twist. Me no need no city life, stress and hustle, war and strife. Me find me joy in leaf and land, in ganja smoke and jaja hand. Me burn a spliff to clear me sight, me vision bright like starry night. Me hear the earth, she talk to me, through every leaf, me spirit free. Me see the rain come wash the ground, roots get strong, life come round. Each drop a blessing from above, feed the herb, feed the love. Children laugh in morning dew, learning things them never knew. Me tell them grow it pure and clean, Jah keep your heart evergreen. Meditation time, pon the stone me sit, inhale the wisdom, exhale the wit. No rush life, me slow the pace. Me find Jah light in every space. Rasta not stray from Jah way. Me burn the chalice every day. Unity grow like the seed in a soil. Love is me harvest, peace me tile. Me share me bud with brethren true. We pass it round, good vibes renew. No judgment here, just open door. Me garden full, but always more. Me teach the youths to plant and grow, not just herb, but heart, you know. The land a teacher, herb a guide, just spirit always deep inside. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Naya Bingi drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun, we chant till the Babylon know. In a one love herb garden, me heart beat like Nanya Bingi drum. Ganja smoke and morning sun, we chant till the Babylon done.
Ay, 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 son of Zion, ganja blaze, yeah, man. Me step out of me yard with a lion heart, chalice in a hand, me ready for the start. Me now walk alone, me trod with a light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see a youths with no hope, no plan, but me say hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. Me carry the stamp in a roots man farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. reggae music be your sound. We no fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes, bring the people inside. And when the rhythm drop, feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near.
Na 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 na, Rastaman grind the ganja, yeah, man. Under moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I and I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beating, Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, my spirit float. Guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree, sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we all firm. Like the lion we roar. With every term, we not beg system. We build our lane, plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah not bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fold.
Drum beat, we had just begun. Me wash me face in the river so clean. Ganja leaf in a me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end.
Zion Raga. From the hills me hear a call, echo bounce from wall to wall. It tell the people stand up tall. Babylon rise but Babylon fall. River sing on mountainside, bird fly free across the sky. Every sound a prophecy, Zion whispered destiny. Zion echoes in me ear, calling with it trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Trod. Every step I praise to God. Stone and tree and stream agree. Nature speak in harmony. Wind carry word from far and near. Hold the faith, the time soon here. Zion voice in heart so strong, guide me right when things go wrong. Children learn the chant from birth, pass it round across the earth. It cure the mind, it heal the soul. Zion chant make people whole. Elders say it's more than song, it's the road we trod along. Echoing in morning mist, every beat a sacred twist. Echo high, echo low, through the rain and through the snow. Carry hope, carry peace, till the Babylon system cease. Zion word not fade away, still a guide we to this day. When nightfall come, me still can hear voice of Zion loud and clear. It tell me rise, no time for sleep, harvest soon from what you reap. Me close me eyes and sing along. Zion echo keep me strong. Zion echoes in me ear, calling with it trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Zion echoes in me ear, calling with it trod with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Na na na. Zion Dana. Jaja presence everywhere.
Oi, 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 Kingston, skunk, smoke ya man. Me wake up on me earth stranded. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring, just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me birth not come from system life, me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise, me stand pon roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence, me chant me soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it fuller. Earth strong warrior rise today, burn them chains and walk your way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire, meditate and climb up higher. Rasta born again from pain, me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every draw, me live in love, me follow Jalla. Me nah born fi concrete street, me come from hills where yam real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark, me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me sweat and tile. Me drink me tea, me sit and pause. Me chant the psalms, me praise Jalas. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We not need gold nor gun nor gate. We hold your love and that feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. In a me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose, step with soul. Me journey long but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jaja throne. Me soul and the smoke alone, alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by me side. Them whisper say, you're strong, you true. Me see your light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combine. So light the fire, warrior true. This earth stone chant me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide.
Na 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 Jamaica hashish ya man. Sunrise paint the sky with gold. Story of Jah love retold. Every hilltop blaze with light. Chase away the shadow night. Birds are sing for brand new day. Jah light guide we on the way. Over valley, over plain. Jah mercy fall like healing rain. Jah light over hills. Warm the heart, calm the chills. Every soul come alive. With Jah love, we survive. Me climb the hill at break of dawn. Me see creation shining strong. River glisten, earth rejoice. Me hear Jah calling in the voice. Clouds apart, fish show the land. Blessed by Jah, mighty hand. Every color paint the sky. Jah light lift me spirit high. Even when the storm cloud form, Jah light keep the spirit warm. Me know the morning soon will come. With Naya being the holy drum. Babylon try to dim the glow, but Jah light always show. Truth a shine like crystal stream. Guide me forward in Jah dream. From the market to the shore, people feel the light once more. Children dancing morning beams, like them walking in Jah dreams. Every smile a blessing true. Jah light shining through and through. No chain can bind, no wall can block. Jah light a the solid rock. Rise up children, rise up strong. Jah light carry we along. Over mountain, over sea. Jah light set the captives free. Fire blaze but never burn. To Jah light we always turn. Nightfall come but still me see. Jah light shining endlessly. It not fade, it not tire. Lift me soul like holy fire. Over hills to every mile. Jah light keep me heart in smile. Till the trumpet of Zion blow. Jah light guide me where me go. Jah light over hills, warm the heart.
a light shine for everyone.
Aye, aye, aye. It's iron time, yeah, man. Me rise on the shore with sun in on me face. Morning breeze, bring Jah embrace. Salt water cleanse me eye from sleep. Another day, fi climb Jah peak. Me roll one tight from herbs divine. Sacred smoke like ancient sign. Me chant pan sun, barefoot me roam. Earth is me temple, Jah is me home. Me hear the waves whisper secrets old. From time when prophets them walk bold. The tide speak truth, the wind reveal. What no man touch, Jah make real. Me meditate in a coconut tree shade. Every leaf tell story, them never fade. No system clock, no boss, no chain. Just me the sea and ganja rain. Rasta chant on the waves, calling peace from ancient caves. From the hills to the blue sea, me heart beat in harmony. Smoke rise like spirit flight. Me walk by day, me float by night. Inna the rhythm, me soul behave. Me free, me chant on the waves. Me move slow like turtle wise, watching Babylon tell beer lies. But me not listen, me hold me ground. Me smoke me herbs and hear the sound of truth, of birds and tree, of ancestors watching over me. Me sip vital soup, me give me praise. Me know Jah bless me all me days. And when the moon rise kiss the sea, me know me blessed fi truly be. Me build a fire, me chant me prayer. Jah presence strong, me feel it near. Me no need gold, me no need fame. Me only need that sacred flame. Burning in a chalice, burning bright, guiding me through darkest night. Rasta chant on the waves, calling peace from ancient caves. From the hills to the blue sea, me heart beat in harmony. Smoke rise like spirit flight. Me walk by day, me float by night. Inna the rhythm, me soul behave. Me free, me chant on the waves.
Me meet a elder down by bay. Him say me son always trudge away. Me smile and nod, me already know. Me roots run deep like river flow. Me smoke me spliff with highest care. Me lift me mind in gentle prayer. No stress, no fight, just peace me bring. Me heart beat like a naya, bingy drum ring.
So when the world get loud and mad, me return to shore where soul feel glad. Me chant alone or with me crew. The ocean and the fire make me new. Me Rasta life, me Rasta way. Me chanting morning, night and day. So if you're lost and seek some grace, come chant with me in this holy place.
Ay, 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 Rasta Zion. Roll this spliff. Inna the hills, far from the city screen, we find the stillness like a sacred dream. No concrete, no flashing lights, just trees, breeze, and stars at night. Me barefoot step on earth so cold, feeling the stories them ancestors told. Me carry drum and me carry flame, we call the spirit in Jah name. Me pitch me tent under holy sky, me roll me herbs while owl fly by. Me hear the silence like ancient sound, so deep it shake me soul from ground. Me light up chalice, eyes turn red, but it's not fi forget, it's fi wake the dead. Me chant alone, but me not feel alone. Jah voice echo in every stone. Mountain chant, fire in the air. Me reason with trees, Jah always there. No Babylon clock, no digital chain, just drum beat, pure and natural rain. Me chant and me rise, me soul transcend. This liberty real, it not pretend. High up here, me find me place, a Rasta in a nature's warm embrace. Me remember when me used to stress, the nights, the rush, the daily mess. But in the mountain, me find me pace. Me thoughts slow down, me heart embrace. Me sip some roots, me eat ital stew. Everything simple, everything true. Me nah need dollar, nah need gold. This freedom deeper than what them sold. Fire blaze, me beat the drum. We call to Jah, we call for some peace for the youth, some strength for the poor, some light for the hearts Babylon ignore. Me chant till morning, meet me face, till the sun rise up and light the place. Me give thanks for the night, for the breath, for the fire. Me give thanks for every righteous desire. Mountain chant, fire in the air. Me reason with trees, Jah always there. No Babylon clock, no digital chain, just drum beat, pure and natural rain. Me chant and me rise, me soul transcend. This liberty real, it not pretend. High up here, me find me place, a Rasta in a nature's warm embrace. This world too loud, too fast, too blind. People lose them heart, them soul, them mind. But the mountain teach, the herbs reveal what's fake, what's.
Na na na, Jah bless the people, yeah man. Take out chalice, me sip from stream. Me spirit born inna the island breeze, where the coconut sway and the mind find ease. Barefoot and sand, me walk like dream with chalice lit. Me sip from stream, me nah need clock. The sun tell time, me heart beat slow in a natural rhyme. Me roll me herbs in banana leaf, smoke rise high, carry away grief. Every breath me take is a gift from Jah. Every little wave a mystic bar. Me sit on rock, watch fish them play. Give thanks for the blessing of today. The island spirit calling me home, where the water sing and me soul just roam. No worry, no chain, no fight to fight, just ganja and love under moonlight. Me nah run, me nah hide, me just float on Jah tide, with roots so deep and vibes so high. Island spirit, me never say goodbye. Me grow me weed in a hilltop sun, blessed by rain and chant them run. Me share it round, me brethren smile. Inna the smoke, me feel just style. Me drum beat echo through bamboo trees. Me chant with birds, me dance with bees. Me queen bring fruit, me sing me song. Me days feel short, but the vibes stay long. Me no need no app, fi feel pan rock at the end of day. Watch the sunset melt worries away. Me close me eyes, me see Jah face. In a sea breeze, me find me place. Me not drift far, me not drift fast. Just steady boat in a sea so vast. With every ripple, me get more clear. Me spirit strong, me mind draw near. We island spirit calling again. In a mango wine, in a healing rain. Me walk with peace, me step in time. Me heart full up with Jah design. Me no need city, me no need gold. Me treasure lie where stories told. With ganja eye and conscience pure. Me soul secured, me love endure. Me go to river, wash me dread. Me wash me pain, me shake the dead. Me reason deep with roots man wise. Him say Rasta live where truth never dies. Me take them words, me plant them seed. Me live by love, not Babylon greed. Me build me hut, me carve me name in a wooden song. Me claim me flame. Me see me youth run wild and free. Them laugh loud in the almond tree. Me queen smile wide, me cup overflow. Island spirit, this all me know. So when me leave in peace. Me soul well fed, me mind at ease. Me travel world, me hear many sound. But me roots in a island ground. So bless up life and light that fire. Chant the truth, rise ever higher. No matter where me end or start. Island spirit living on me heart.